Yo! Hey guys, Ken Periman here. I am back again with a pretty cool test. Not a product necessarily, but it's based on a product. Let me show you it real quick. So I just recently received the DJI Mic Mini Set. And I did this test previously with this guy. And what that test was is I tested and was able to get this to work with this phone, or a phone like this, a Samsung phone. I was only able to do it based on one setup, one reason basically, and the reason is that I was able to go into what was pro video mode, correct, and then there are my speaker, or these are my audio levels from the mic itself. Now, let's go ahead and close this down so you can see it in black and white. Let me go to the link button. I'm going to go ahead and pull the link button and get this to, and what it will do is it will flash between green and blue. I then will go to my Bluetooth. There it is right there. I'm going to connect to it, pair to it. It is now set. You're going to come over here to your camera button. You're going to turn it on. You'll have, generally speaking, when you first start out, you'll have portrait, you'll have photo, you'll have video, and then you'll have a more button. And that's all along here. And if I set it like this, hold on. There we go. And I'm set on my 12 megapixel camera. That's cool. And we're going to go to more. And in the more, you have all these that you can select with. Go to Pro Video. Not Pro, that's Pro Camera. You have Expert Raw, all that stuff. What you want to do is go to Pro Video. You don't want to record an audio on a photo, right? You're recording good audio with your video. So you're going to go to Pro Video. Then you can go to Bluetooth Mix. How about just straight up Bluetooth? That's what hold on. There it is. Ready? So that was just a quick test. Oh, sorry, it's not even recording, so you don't know. I don't know why I was so quiet. Let's go to recording. So basically you have Bluetooth Mix. That mixes, I didn't even realize it. I forgot that you can go to Bluetooth Mix, which will probably pull up some sound from your device, but I just wanted to go straight Bluetooth here. Click on the Bluetooth. Once you've connected this to your phone, now I will tell you, once you first connect this to your phone, this device, it's going to tell you something like it can only be used for phone calls or something like that. Don't worry about it. But also understand, you try to interact with any other program or any other feature on here, it's not going to work unless you go into the Pro Video and then switch from Omni, because right now I'm in the Bluetooth mode, the audio mode, right? So if I go back into the regular settings, there's all this stuff right here. You get zoom wide, you got your mic Omni. That's built into the phone. So let's go ahead and hit record while we're in the black mode. So right now we're in the we're in the Omni. We're on the phones, multiple mics picking up me talking all the way around it, and you see the little white lines dancing there. Now, because you've connected this to your phone, click on the mic Omni, click over to, you got front, rear, so you can even tell the mic's on your phone. If you want it only the front and you don't want to hear, like, maybe you're walking behind it and you're walking up a mountain, and you don't want to hear the mic hearing somebody breathing heavy, but you want to hear the person in front of you, you can switch the mics. But most importantly, so we are recording through the phone's Bluetooth. So hello, ladies and gentlemen, we have the DJI box set here with one of the mics here that is not set up. You can see that it's flashing green, but in turn I actually have the mic on me. But look at these beautiful green plants. We are testing with the mic on me. Let me go ahead. This is what's going to be hard about this, is because I've got to take off the magnets. Yeah, there we go. This is connected to my phone because it is in solid blue while this guy is still flashing. This is my mic 1. I designated it because it has the black fuzzy. And then mic 2 will have the gray fuzzy. So hopefully you can hear to some extent some audio, and then when I bring it closer, you should hear me like literally blasting through the top a little bit. So what do you think? this works as long as you have the video pro mode. And hold on, let me be clear with this. We'll go back to where it's black and white. You can see all my items on here. Zoom in if you need to. But what I'm going to do is stop this. Sorry. You can't switch while you're recording. Go to Mic Omni, go to Bluetooth. Recording through Bluetooth mic. And then you just start talking through here. And so, as you can tell, I'm switching audio. Sorry, I had to turn the video camera off and turn it back on. It won't let you switch the mic while you're recording. You have to turn it off, turn it back on. So you saw that there. I mean, how cool is that? So now you can get these little guys. Just so you know, you don't have to take this guy and connect it to this DJI camera here, or these two DJI cameras here, or these other DJI cameras. This will work with a Samsung phone, and I'm going to say Samsung because this is what I know, but on Samsung phones that have the Pro Video capability, you should be able to do this. Generally speaking, it just means that most of their flagship phones, S-series phones and above. So anything that has this capability built into it, you should have no problem connecting your mic and talking to your mic through your camera while you're recording beautiful green fake plants. That's what I'm recording right now, right? How cool is that? It sounds really good, doesn't it? I love it. Okay, that's it. So as I said, I've tried this dude here. This is the Mic 2. This will work with your Samsung phones, Android Samsung phones, with the Pro Video built into the phone itself. Confirmed is this guy as well, the Mic Mini. You got your Mic 2, you got your Mic Mini. DJI Mic will do exactly as this guy does, and it'll connect to this phone, and you can use it to record your videos and have really good audio, right? You know, we know Samsung's phones have really good capability, good mics, but you still have all the wind, you still have that, you don't have the dynamics that these guys can do. And you can also I don't think that they have the 32-bit float, but we'll check on that just to be sure, and I'll put that up here. Yes or no? 32-bit float? I don't think so, because I don't think you can record internally. So I'm going to say probably not. Tell me if I'm right over there. Somebody. Me. But with that, you do have really good audio connection, really good audio quality coming off of a really good camera taking your videos. So guys, how much better can that be, right? Other than actually switching to a really good 4K camera. Don't get me wrong, saying that DJI connecting to this, the perfect storm is these guys right here. This is such an awesome camera, and these are such great mics. So these are such great mics. Let me hold it the right way so you can see it. And such awesome cameras. I mean, these two together are beautiful, and they work great. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time. And I'm out.